Hello everyone, welcome to FYE 101. So I hope you enjoyed the break, if you took classes summer one, and also, if you didn't, well, be ready for the 7-week classes that we're going to have now. So here we go. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what the course is and also kind of take you on a tour of what it looks like online and the modules. So one thing I would like to emphasize is this course is important, particularly if you're in the college for the first time. Even otherwise, it is helpful because you do get to know many resources around the college and also good study habits, time management skills, and so on. And we have data to show that students who took this course had a higher persistence rate and graduated on the whole compared to those who didn't. So and they've also acknowledged, students have acknowledged its usefulness and value. Some of them even took it at the very end, just before they graduated. And they said even then they found it really helpful and wished they had taken this course earlier. So in any case, I'm looking also forward to a meeting with each one of you throughout the semester. We do have some office hours assignment, so where I will get to see you. Um, Remember, I'm here to help you. So if anything, any questions, always email me, contact me. So every time you wish to get started, start with modules. So you click here and every week's module is organized pretty much the same way. And since it is summertime, I have organized it a bit differently. But first I want to point out these three things are here for you as resources. So how do you succeed in an online class? If you've never taken online, then go through this. And this is also helpful because if you have not done Canvas, then it's important for you to know where to look for the feedback when I give you comments on your work. And the last thing here is this Rory's online Canvas course, which is, see, okay, so this helps you to kind of understand how to navigate a Canvas course. Some of you, if you were new, you would have gotten a link to this course, but if not, it's right here for you to go through this. So our first week is the way I have organized the module is you will see week 1, part 1, and then week 1, part 2. Simply because it is a 7-week class and we will be covering a whole lot, which we normally do in 14 weeks. So to make it simpler, easier for you, we will do some things and some part of it from here it is Tuesday to Thursday, but usually it'll be Monday through Thursday. And you will have some deadlines for Thursday. So you would need to do this part here, and some of these assignments are due on Thursday. And every week you will have always readings for that part, and then there'll be a reading quiz based on these readings. Then there'll be a discussion assignment where you click on it and then you see what the prompt is, what to post and respond to your classmates. So that's what you will do for discussion assignments. Then you have mindful moment reflection. There's a book which is available for you online. So if you click on this, this is the book you can download here by going to this workbook and download it and save it on your computer, because you will be doing exercises from this workbook every week. So that is one thing. And these set of assignments are due on Thursday. As you can see, July 9th is the deadline. So don't miss it. Then part 2, usually it's from Friday through Sunday. All of this is due on Sunday. Here again, you will have another set of readings, a quiz, and a couple of assignments. And as you can see, they're on different topics. The first part of the week is navigating the system, and the second part of the week is about college success. So that's why I have divided it into two parts, so it's not confusing, and the assignments have separate deadlines. So for part one, the deadline to submit your work is Thursday, and for part two, the deadline to submit your assignment is Sunday. And this is pretty much the pattern for every week. Part one, all the assignments will be due by Thursday, and part two, all the assignments will be due Sunday. And every part of a week, you will have reading, quiz, mindful moment, assignments, again, reading, quiz, and assignments. In part two, you won't have mindful reflection assignments, but you do have other assignments. But both part one and two will be available to you on Sunday of each week, or whatever day. Here it is Monday because our course starts on a Tuesday, but after this, everything will be available on a Sunday. So part one and two will be available on Sunday. So you can finish all these assignments as and when you want. These have to come in by Thursday. These have to be come in by Sunday. Let's say if you have time on a day and you decide to complete all of these by Friday, great. So don't keep it to the last minute. But I've just given you deadlines so you can plan your week accordingly. So that is pretty much what we will be doing each week. So I hope you get a clear idea of the work involved. There will be reading, there will be quizzes, but these readings are easy readings. It's you can do them quick. The assignments are not like essays. They're short assignments. So you should be able to get through these assignments fairly quickly and easily. And if you have any questions, any concerns, always email. All right? So I look forward to meeting you all virtually. I will be posting my Zoom hours soon. Every week I will give one or two times for you to just join and chat. Or if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay.